everyone, good morning. Some you think you are lucky that you were born, and some think that I just wanna meet ends meet. I just wanna make it through. I just wanna make survive. Let me tell you something. Pag sinabing I just wanna make ends meet, anong ibig sabihin? Pag sinabing make ends meet is an idiom word. Means someone was born into a situation where they have to work hard to cover their basic needs or just survive financially. Here's more an explanation that someone means to have to enough money to pay for things to survive. And it's also a situation where someone is struggling financially and barely able to cover up their expenses. So naka-mindset tayo na ipinanganak tayo para magbayad ng mortgage. Yan. Ang tanong, pinanganak ka ba talaga para dun lang? Ano yung purpose? Bakit ka pinanganak? Sa mundong ginagalawan natin, we have to make a point to realize that you are important to the world. Not because to pay for the mortgage or to survive, barely survive, but you were born to the purpose that to solve something. There is a problem out there that you need to solve that problem. To create a causative solution for the existing problem of the world. Not just to pay your bills, to pay or to work hard. Not just that. You were born to a bigger purpose that you can do something about it to solve the problem of the world. And that when you have that mindset, mas lalawak yung pangunawa mo at yung responsibility mo na hindi lang para mabayaran yung bill mo or hindi lang para makasurvive ka lang everyday. Kundi magkakaroon ka ng something that you can do for the things or situations in the world para hindi makasurvive alone lang but pangkalahatan. Hope that you learn something. So, dapat yung mindset mo is not, I just wanna make ends meet. No, but you can do something about to the world that we're living right now because you are able. God created you for a purpose of helping the world to solve the problem. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.